So much to conquer.
Yo, you remember that Dryxxl dude? The wizard? Yeah, he's got another thing for you. This one's got, like, ruins and magic and, you know, stuff. And it leads to a special thing.
Well, well, it seems the forked rivers of our fates entwine once again. Join me, and we may taste true power together.
Same arrangement as before, yeah?
Yes, yes. Now follow closely, mortal, for the path is seldom trod and easily lost. Remember that dud of a flame spell? I first found its tome in the entrance to the ruins. There may be other, more powerful secrets deeper inside. Help me reach them, and any material baubles we find along the way are yours to keep.
In for a penny, in for a pound, I suppose.
A simple ward bars the way. Allow me to dispel it with a mere thought. Child's play.
I can sense your ambition.
What in Grimblethorpe's name was that? Did you hear that? From here, the way is blocked. There must be a way to proceed, but damned if I can find it.
Don't worry, I'm an expert at getting into temples. People pay pretty good coin to deal with annoying priests.
What? A puzzle?
Hell yeah, baby! Every good bunker crawl has puzzles.
Yeah, Val, puzzles are as much a part of the game as tramps.
Ah, there's no glory in solving a puzzle. Can't we just hit stuff heroically? Secret clue area! Boom! Hitting stuff always works.
See? You can hit stuff and solve puzzles. That's why B&B is the best game ever!
Well, wrinkle my cheeks. It seems damaging the stones activates them somehow. Suppose by damaging them more? Perhaps in some kind of sequence.
Then a left. All right. Yes, that should do.
Well, you're not as simple as you look. Come, let's see what lies inside. Merlin's beard! Foes! I thought the ruins were empty. You go on ahead, I'll stride from afar until it's safe.
Fine with me. I prefer to work alone. Or with 1 to 3 trucks.
You need not face that dark gate. Eternity is within your grasp, if you will but join me.
Ready to cast!
By summoning me, you're legally my dad.
You shall have extra peanut butter this night. Oi, wizard. This door doesn't look like the bash-downable sort. Any ideas?
Must I do all the things, numbskull? Fine, I'm on my way.
Oh, you are vile!
These are arcane locks. Simple but effective. Some of the creatures nearby must have taken the keys, drawn as they are to magical energies. Well, don't just stand there.
Right, I'll get to work. You just stand there and look. Wizard. Game bag? Well, that goes for you. Magic dry. Form a line. Was wondering when more. Breathe it in. Looks like magic's back on the menu.
I hold the keys to all power, but I can only open the door. Only you can choose to lock it.
Left. C for effort. C minus. Blood for strength. Landbreaker. What am I feeding you? Bitch, am I supposed to be feeding you? Who's the alpha now, eh?
Hurry back and open the door before that voice starts up again.
I am always with you, moored in the dark harbor of your hidden heart.
There he goes again. Well, go on then. You didn't get those keys for nothing.
Enter.
Yes, well done. You press on to the inner sanctum. I'll stay here until I know it's good luck.
Suit yourself. Coward's coin spends good as any.
I am the Lord of all dread, the moth in the page, the silence of the dead, the moldering of age. I am the final breath, the cockerel's third cry, the restless dream of death, the maggot of the fly.
This fellow is using scaring magic, isn't he? Who's there? Show yourself, fiend!
All who stand before me are laid low. All who stand beside me are raised high. Join me or perish.
Well, that's settled, isn't it?
This is far too wondrous to miss. Wait for me!
Power can be yours for a price.
That is what we came here for. Very well. How much?
Serve me forever.
And how much power are we talking about?
You can't be serious.
Just making sure we're considering all our options.
Enter.
Ah, a portal! I should have known. Well, let's see where it leads. Unless you want to just stand here chatting all day.
I'd rather gnaw my own ears off than listen. Let's go.
Welcome to the Shrine of the Tempest.
This space seems to be used for a summoning ritual. I can activate it, but I don't know what will appear once the ritual is complete. Let me know when you're ready to begin, and be careful. There are dark forces at work here.
Whatever shows up, they'll wish they hadn't. I'm ready.
Very well. I shall begin the ritual incantation.
Soon, you'll serve me. You'll all serve.
Filions, Ripel Tour.
Remember this day, mortals, when you were offered power and chose death.
Oh, I think I left my cauldron bubbling. I'll see to that. You take care of things here. I believe in you.
More meat for the grinder. Don't do warning shots. Spells are off.
There isn't anything happening. Ah, I see. The ritual requires an investiture of life essence. I would offer my own, but it has to be you. It says so right there in the runes you can't read. Hurry, now! See, that wasn't so bad. As for the ritual, it seems it summons a sacrifice and produces a spell from their essence. You make it a spell. I'm far more intrigued by this ritual. I believe this was but the start of a much larger ritual. I can perform the summoning again, but the foes will be more powerful, as will the finished spell. Let me know when you're ready to face this next challenge. In the meantime, I'll open a portal to make our comings and goings a bit smoother.